Everyone, today we will discuss on the logical elements. So going to the logical elements which defines the structural importance of the text, like emphasis. The emphasis element is used to emphasize a specific word, character or a text in a web page. Coming to the strong element is used to highlight the text in the web page and the enclosed text is displayed in bold. The next one is the keyboard element. The keyboard element is used to specify that the text is a keyboard entry, that is the input. Element uses a special font fixed width which indicates that the text to be typed in the keyboard, and its syntax is the opening tag KBD and closing tag KBD of the element is displayed in a smaller font size as compared to the normal font size. The next one is the cite element. The cite element is used to specify a citation, title of the books, movies, and names of the external resources. Next comes the variable. The variable is used to define a variable name in the programming language, and the text is displayed in italics in the web page. The next one is the define element. The define element is used to define an instance of a term in the web page. In other words, it indicates the first occurrence of a term. Sample element. The sample element is used to specify an output of a computer program. The next one is the code element. The code element is used to specify that the enclosed text is a part of the computer program. Now moving to the VS Code. So we have written all the logical elements like emphasis, strong, keyboard, cite, var, sample, define and code, and let me run it. So this is the output of the HTML program. The first one is for emphasis, then strong. The next one is written in a fixed width for keyboard. The next one is displayed in italics, which is used for citation. For variable naming in programming language, we use var tag. The next one is used for sample to define any output, program output. And the next one is displayed in italics, which is used to define any instance or a term. The next one is for code, and the code element is used to specify any part or the whole programming language. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.